Hi everyone, welcome to NanoElearn and back to Java for Selenium tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learnt about while loop in Java programming along with the practical demo. In today's video, I will talk about do while loop in Java programming. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If you would like to know clear information about do while loop in Java, along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Before we go ahead, we already discussed about loops. We know that loops execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is met. This helps to reduce errors, save time, and also makes the code more readable. What are do while loops? These loops helps to loop through a block of code several times, like we have seen in case of while loop. It is recommended to use this loop when number of iterations is not fixed and run the loop at least once as the condition is checked after the loop body. It repeats the loop till the condition is true. The syntax will look like this: do, block of statements to be executed, while condition. Let us see the example for do while loop in Java programming. Here we see in this example starts with the main function and initialize the variable y is equal to 5, and the do while loop starts with the word do, and I am printing the y value by incrementing it one by one using y++ counter, where I am ending this loop with while condition. That is, what will happen here is until y less than or equal to 10, starting from y value is equal to 5, the loop gets executed by iterating the number of times by incrementing the y value till y becomes equal to 10. So let us see how this works in a practical demo. These are some useful URL links. I am opening my Eclipse. So for this, we already know, right click on the project to create a new class. Right click on the project, click on new, select class, and we need to give the class name. Select public static void main, click on finish button. Since I already done this, this is the class I have created for do while demo. The same program I have written here. I initialize the variable y and printing the y value till y less than or equal to 10. So when I run this program, you see that the loop is iterated till y value becomes equal to 10, and all the values in every iteration step is printed, starting from y value is 5 till y value is equal to 10. That's it, part of the practical demo. These are some useful URL links. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.